Welcome back, viewers. Viewers, today we are going to transplant Dianthus seedlings, a very healthy seedling, and bought from a nursery. We are going to plant some plants in pot. We are going to add some DAP. It's a slow releasing fertilizer, and we are also going to add cow dung compost because these plants are going to remain in the pot for many years. We are adding fertilizer. Now add some more soil. Now let's take out our seedlings. These are about, you can see the roots are coming out. You can see this is the root ball. Let's divide the root ball. These are the mixed plant. You can see this is one plant, and there are three branches. Just plant the seedling like this. Now let's separate the plants. And just plant them like this. We have planted 5 plants in this pot. This is 13-inch pot, and now we are going to in a location where it will get some 2 to 3 hours of direct sunlight. Now we are going to plant these seedlings in ground and another pot. First let's separate the plants. So these are 4 plants I am going to transplant in the ground, and I am going to plant these 2 plants in a smaller pot. So let's first plant the seedlings in ground. This is the spot, and I have already added cow dung compost in the bed. Before we plant, I am also going to use the DAP. Just dig a hole and put DAP inside. And plant your seedling. These two plants I am going to plant in this pot. Add some cow dung compost and DAP. Now separate the plant and plant at equal distance. Water the seedlings thoroughly. These are the winter flowering plants and these are perennial. You can keep them years round and just keep them safe from heat in the summers, and you will enjoy the flowers year round. These are the mixed variety. You can see this is the update. So if you like the video, like and share and let us know about your thoughts in the comment section. Enjoy gardening.